Kajabi versus Kartra, two giants in the online business world, both promising to take your digital empire to new heights. But which one truly makes building and selling online easier? On the left, Kajabi, the all-in-one platform for course creators and memberships. On the right, Kartra, the marketing powerhouse with automation at its core. Let's strip away the marketing jargon and dig into the features that matter. Each round earns points, and by the end you'll see exactly who comes out ahead. The winner might surprise you. Okay, to keep things nice and organized, here's our mind map for today. We're breaking it down into 6 categories: pricing, course creation, funnels and automation, design and customization, features and integrations, and support and user experience. So yeah, we're covering what really matters. So first up, pricing. Kajabi right off the bat gives you a 14-day free trial, and their plan structure is super clear, like no surprises, which I love. The downside? It's honestly pricier than most, and the starter plan in particular feels a little tight with its limits. Then Kartra, which comes in a bit cheaper and is actually more approachable if you're just starting out. Plus, they're always running some kind of promo or extended trial, but you do have to watch out because that entry plan. It's got some real feature and bandwidth caps. Also, weirdly, there's no always-on free trial like you get with Kajabi. Still, Kartra edges out the win here for being more accessible at the start. Now let's talk course creation. This is where Kajabi just shines. I mean, the interface is honestly so easy to use. Even if you've never set up a course before, you'll be dropping in videos, setting up quizzes, drip-feeding lessons. It just feels smooth. The only thing I wish they had was like more fancy automation, but that aside, for an actual teaching platform, it's tough to beat. Kartra can technically do courses and even memberships, which is great, but like in actual use, it's kinda clear education isn't their main gig. There's no course certificates, and well, it just doesn't feel as dialed in for learning. So Kajabi totally takes this round. Okay, next up, funnels and automation. Kajabi gets points for offering, these really easy pre-built pipelines. If you just want to sell a course, it's super quick to set up, but beyond basics, the automation's a bit, let's say bare bones, and segmentation is pretty limited. Switching over to Kartra, and oh boy, this is where things get spicy. Kartra is a dream for marketers. You get legit advanced automation with triggers and tagging, a visual builder engine so you can map out these crazy sales funnels, and even built-in A/B testing. Downside? Yeah, you're gonna need to spend some time figuring it all out. But if automation is your thing, Kartra is the clear winner here. Oh, and here's something cool. Did you know Kajabi is so popular among course creators that some people legit call it the Apple of online course platforms? Not kidding, the vibes are strong with that one. On to design and customization. Kajabi's templates honestly are some of the nicest around. You want your site to look pro without hiring a designer, just drag and drop. You can even roll out a blog and hook up your own domain, no sweat. If I have to nitpick, maybe there could be more marketing widgets, but for most folks, the design is just killer. Now, Kartra's got a flexible page builder too, and there are a bunch of templates, not just for pages but entire campaigns. But the designs sometimes look a bit, old school right out the box. So it definitely needs more fiddling if you want something stylish. Kajabi wins for the visual appeal, hands down. Let's run through features and integrations. Kajabi covers the basics and then some. You get community stuff, website and blogging tools, quizzes. It's great if you're building a little creator ecosystem. But I gotta say, no built-in calendar or help desk is kinda a bummer. Kartra, on the other hand, is like the all-in-one business toolkit. There's native scheduling, a full help desk system, serious analytics, and honestly dynamic campaigns you won't get elsewhere. But it doesn't have a real blogging tool or any kind of community features, so it's more about the backend automation and less about creating a creator hub. Still, with all those business tools, Kartra takes this round. Last but not least, support and user experience. In Kajabi, support is like actually supportive. You reach out, they respond, they help, and if you're new, totally beginner-friendly, nothing feels overwhelming. Only catch: it's built for digital products, so don't expect it to run a physical store or whatever. Kartra, let's say the docs are thorough but live support a little on the slower side. Plus, that learning curve is real. You'll spend more time figuring out where stuff lives. For most folks, especially if you want to launch fast, Kajabi is way less stressful, so it's the winner here. So, if you're visual like me, picture both of these on a radar chart. Kajabi spikes like crazy on course creation, design, and user experience. Kartra, it's a beast with pricing, automation, and overall business features. Alright, final thoughts? Kajabi is absolutely the pick if you're a creator who wants everything just to work, from courses to communities, all super smooth. But if you want to go like full marketing overlord with automation and crazy sales funnels and the whole business suite, Kartra is hard to beat. If you want to support our channel, feel free to use our affiliate link given in video description. Thanks for watching, and I will see you in my next video.